Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we talk about fitness, diets, and healthy lifestyle. Today we are going to be talking about best meal delivery systems. Now this is going to include best cooked meal delivery services and best meal kit delivery services. If you guys are interested in more content like this, don't forget to subscribe down below. Next week we are going to be doing best grocery delivery services as well as best meal kit delivery services for people who are on a diet, keto diet, diabetes, all that good stuff. The first one I wanted to mention is a little bit different than the others, but it still delivers food, which is Doordash. Doordash has grown so much over the past couple of years, especially this past year when a lot of people haven't been able to leave their homes. Now they've been offering more restaurant choices and they've been hiring more dashers so that your food gets to you in a less amount of time, and more restaurants also means more healthy choices. My personal favorites is getting things from Panera Bread. I love getting their salads, and that's something that I will get out if I don't feel like driving there that day. If you're interested in trying the Doordash app, I will leave the link down below, as well as if you are interested in making some extra cash and becoming a dasher. I personally am a dasher and I love it. So you get to pick your own schedule, and it's been so much busier since everything in the pandemic did happen. A lot of people have downloaded the app, and it's just, I think that they realize how convenient it is, and it's just an easy way to make a bunch of money in a few amount of hours. So I'll leave that linked down below as well if you guys are interested in becoming a dasher. The second meal delivery service I wanted to talk to you guys about is Nutrisystem. It has several meal plans and they are all customizable. Its diet primarily focuses on high protein, high fiber, and high veggie, high water intake, all of that good stuff. And the website includes a lot of things that can help you succeed on this plan. If you're interested in some great Nutrisystem videos, some inspirational content, and how others have been able to successfully go through that plan, I found a really great channel called Kathryn. She makes some of the best content out there. It's so informational and you can see her whole transformation. I'm going to be leaving her channel linked down below if you want to check her out. She is also doing a video on best meal delivery service, but she also is doing Nutrisystem right now too. Definitely check her out after this video. Show her some love and don't forget to subscribe to her channel as well. The third one I know you probably all have heard of. It is HelloFresh. The reasons that I needed to include this in my list was because this is one of the top rated meal delivery kits that you can get. Part of the reason for that is because of how customizable it really is. You can get things that are Whole30, you can get keto plans. There's so much variety that you can get on this plan. Up to what type of diet lifestyle that you want to receive food in, up into how many days that you really want to get this food. You can get it 1 day a week up to 5 days a week. The next one I wanted to talk about is Nurture Life. This is such a great website.
So basically the way this works is you choose your meals, they cook and deliver it. The website shows food available for different age ranges, which I find convenient since portions and food types are pretty different based on age. This is an example of the food that they offer for kids, babies, adults, and even portable meals, all which seem to be pretty focused on fresh foods and healthy balance, which I think is pretty awesome. So all in all, this is a meal delivery website, definitely worth checking out.
The next great meal delivery service, if you have not checked out yet, you need to. It is Diet to Go. Same reason why I like HelloFresh and Nurture Life. It focuses on healthy diet. This one, in my opinion, might offer quite a bit more. It is customizable for diabetes, for keto carb 30, for vegans, and for vegetarians. Overall, it's just a really great website to look over and consider. And last but not least, Freshly, which overall is great because you just choose your meals, they cook and deliver it to you, and all you have to do is reheat. Now their meals are a little bit more expensive because of the fact that they're already cooked and prepared, so they come out to be about $11.50 per meal. The website shows that you can choose as little as 4 meals per week up to 12 meals per week. Guys, that was it for this video. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite meal delivery service. Do not forget to check out Kathryn. She is amazing. You guys are going to love her channel. So check her out, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.